Hello viewers, today I will show you how to draw a pie chart. This pie chart is very important tools or graphical presentation which can give you a extra boosting on your performance in your company or to your clients. It can attract the general people who do not understand the theoretical presentation well. So it also very important for the management summary, executive summary to the higher management. So let's start. Let me clear the things what I had. So this is my data on what basis I have drawn these two tables. So let me show you from this value. There is the number of design which will be received from a design institute. The total number of deliverables is 55. So among these 41 delivered and 2 partly delivered and not delivered 4, and BOQ will be designed by our own team 8. So total 55. So if I select the range of this table and go to the insert menu, then it will give me different option. This is 2-dimensional pie chart and this is 3-dimensional pie chart. It looks 2-dimensional, it looks 3-dimensional. Basically the same things. For better understanding, for better presentation, let me show you the 3D pie chart. If I click in 3D pie chart, it looks like that. Here the whole circular things are divided into 55 parts, and among these the Excel calculated the percentage and show the different colors. Okay, you show the different colors. You can break down if you want. So here one things that divide the total things into equivalent percentage. So here the total number of the deliverables you will not show, you have to count. So if I want to add the total number of deliverables, then I have to increase the rate. Okay, now you see the pie is divided into 2 parts. One part is this is the total, and another part is this whole half of the circle. So this half of the circle is considered as a total, and rest of the half is divided as per the breakdown of the value. So that is how we have shown this pie chart. Okay, so here something looks different. I have a chart title and I have text on the chart. So this I can do by simple clicking in the chart element. So if I click the data labels, so it has come the number. So now I have to design, I have a many format. So this is the chart style. So there is many formats. So if I choose it, see, it somewhat looks like that. So I can edit the value as I can customize the position of the number like this. Okay, there is many option. There is many option you can show. You can if you don't want to see total, you can just simply click and you can apply. Okay, now it becomes like earlier. Apply, it will consider the total things. So you can change the menu of style. So here maybe okay, this is the style which has been similar to my previous chart. So the value becomes here is as percentage. You can out this text from our, okay. Now we can, if you do not want this percentage tag, you can remove. You can double click and you can remove. Okay, so that is how you can draw pie chart for the data you want, and for the data you want to present. Thank you very much.